Welcome back to Flawless Food's Kitchen. I'm Luke.
And I'm Kate, and today we're making a hot chilli sauce.
To get started, roughly chop 1 red onion and 1 small brown onion.
Today we're using 2 green bird's eye chilies and 1 British red chilli. You can change, you can add more, or you can use a hotter chilli such as a Scotch bonnet. And we've also deseeded our chilies, but you don't have to, you can leave the seeds in.
Place your chilies and your onions into a blender. Blitz until they form a smooth paste. Pop the paste into a hot pan. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. We've used Sundried Tomato puree for an extra rich flavour. Add a tin of chopped tomatoes and stir it all together. Once the sauce is bubbling and slightly thickened, add some garlic. We've used 1 teaspoon of garlic puree for ease, but you could use 2 cloves of finely chopped or minced fresh garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, or sweetener can be used instead. And a good squeeze of half a lemon.
Okay, that's come to the boil, so we're going to turn it down to a simmer and leave it to cook for about 15 minutes.
After 15 minutes, the sauce will have thickened. Turn the heat off, season with some salt, pepper and a sprinkle of fresh parsley. Now give it a taste. You can add some olive oil if you need to balance out the acidity and give more depth.
And there you have it, chilli sauce. Perfect served with meat, fish or poultry, and it can also be served cold, used as a dip for your nachos or crisps. Today we've made it to go with our lamb shish kebab. Before I go, remember to subscribe if you want to see more from us. And today we will be making a homemade kebab shop style chilli sauce.
That's a bit of a mouthful, isn't it?
And today we're going to be making a hot chilli sauce with the fly.
With a fly. Right, so on your marks.
On your marks.
Get set. Go.